I'm Nico, and I work as a pharmacovigilance associate at ICON. In this video, I'll walk you through what a typical day in my role as a pharmacovigilance associate looks like and what you can expect if you join ICON. My day usually starts with a cup of iced coffee, my essential fuel. Then, I grab breakfast with my teammates and we catch up. It's a fun way to start the day before diving into work. First thing, I check my emails, looking for updates or any new cases assigned to me. That helps me plan and prioritize. In pharmacovigilance, we handle individual case safety reports from patients, healthcare professionals, and global partners. Our responsibility is to perform case processing activities like data entry, medical coding, and causality assessment to ensure that adverse events are properly evaluated and reported. Each day, I get assigned new cases. Some are routine, but others involve serious adverse events, unexpected reactions, or complex narratives that require in depth analysis and strong critical thinking skills. What I love the most? Knowing that what I do directly contributes to patient safety. As part of the clinical and safety team, we play a vital role in ensuring that medicinal products remain safe and effective for public use. Of course, it's not always an easy task. Tight deadlines, tricky cases are part of the job. But I approach them one step at a time and lean on my team when needed. So, that's a quick glimpse into my day as a PV associate. It's meaningful, it's challenging, it's impacting, and I'm proud to be a part of it.